Model, 67 Playe Vauxhall Combo 2000 Sportive Cdti S. Great color, great spec, low mileage. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 83,174. MOT, the 17th of February 2026. Engine, 1248 cc 1.3 Cdti 95 PSE6. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well through all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, aircon, parking sensors, 12 months MOT, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call